I think that all may have got destroyed. Let me tell you, that is, all the sessions were important. I cannot miss even one session. You will be more helpful than any branded company.
Welcome, Dr. Adarsh Muni. So, Adarsh ji, welcome to my show. Over to you. What was the number one thing that might have stopped you before buying my coaching program?
No, basically there was nothing like that in I'm buying or not buying. It's nothing like that. As soon as your message you dropped, on the moment, I just clicked it.
What did you like the most about the program and why?
So the strategy of this program was great. One by one, all the sessions were aligned properly, and you went very strategically. That strategically, gradual, whatever we progressed, what was the gradual progression, and slowly I got cleared with all my doubts. So it was basically I was talking with myself, and you intervened so that I get connected to myself. And that intervention, without any kind of like saja dhaja ke kuch bhi nahi. It was very simple. You have to talk to yourself, and I'm the one who is going to help myself. Nobody else is going to help. And that your intervention was so simple that helped me a lot. That was the best part of the program, being very honest and being very to the point, and very strategically. Nothing सजा धजा के कुछ भी नहीं, बस एकदम सिंपल, एकदम ऑनेस्ट और एकदम स्ट्रेट. दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. होता है बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम होते हैं पर मीठा मीठा बोलना, ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे करना, ये सब जो आडंबर होता है, ये इसमें आडंबर बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड आई लव्ड दैट.
What if you wouldn't have taken this coaching with me? What would have been possible challenges you might have continued?
I think I've not thought about that, because at that moment I was in search of something. I think that if I wouldn't have joined you, I would have joined someone else. But it was the time when your message came. At that time I was just thinking that whose mentorship should I take so that I can get out of my thoughts, I can get out of my doubts. And the moment your message came, so as I was connected to you via naturopathy, I got connected to you again via NLP also, and I knew your आपका जो स्वभाव है, your nature. I knew your nature, and definitely at that point of moment I was very much sure this is the best person who can clear my doubts. That is why. So that is none of any other thought of a question कि अगर आप नहीं होते तो क्या था. That is baseless. Meaning that question I cannot think also. I was in search and I got through.
So what was the significant result you achieved from this coaching?
Yeah. So 2-3 things happened. First, I was very jumbled how to go online and how to go offline, because I had 2 ways. I had from online and offline, there were another 2 questions for each of the way. Should I go in consultation? Should I go in education? Should I go in training? Because I had all the options. I had opened all the options. And I have a place, I have online website also, portals, everything I have. There is nothing missing to me. But I did not know how to go. And suppose if I take any one challenge, and if I fail into that, that will impact all other aspects also. So if I fail in one, I would have failed in all. And if I would have failed in all, so whatever until now, what I have gathered, people's trust and whatever I have built up, I think that all may have got destroyed. So the main benefit of the program was that how I should go, how I should hire people if I am offline, and if I am online, what should be my strategy, and what is actually going on in my mind, what I am good at, all things got clear. Means it is not just one particular thing that got cleared. All the things got clear, which I wanted, which I looked for, which I was. Means the day one I told you that I'm not sorted. I have everything, but I'm not sorted. So I wanted to sort myself, and I got sorted.
And what benefit did you gain from or during the coaching?
First, when we did meditation, at that time, I just connected to myself that first I need to be calm. What I'm, whether I'm having so many thoughts, whether I'm intelligent, whether I'm not intelligent, that was not the question. The question was that before answering anything, I should become calm. So that was my benefit, that I removed all my thoughts, I got calm, and I only focused that I'm winning. I'm in a win-win situation. So after coming that win-win situation, the second thing what I benefited was when you told me to become a dreamer, you told me to become the critic, and you told me to become the action taker. Those 3 points actually triggered my thoughts. So I was able, first I sorted my thoughts. I sorted my thoughts because I had that dreamer in me. I had those thoughts of critic also in me, and I had those thoughts of action taker in me. So I got sorted. This is my action taker part, this is my critic part, and this is my dreaming part. I got all the 3 sorted. And finally, that action taker won. And after that, when you told me to give marks, what qualities I want to emphasize. If I want to rise, I shouldn't be secured. I should have to take the risk. And if I'm taking the risk, I should be able to face any uncertainty. So those points, everything means it was very natural, and everything got triggered. And these all were benefits. These strategies were beneficial. So from that, what happened? Day by day, one by one program, you gave me all those sessions, and by one by one, I got sorted. And the thing happened that I could hire proper people for me, offline also, online also, and because I was able to clear my doubts, so the very next moment I switched off from consultation. I did not go for consultation. I started first training and coaching, which is in my blood. So I did not go for consultation. And once I set up my education and consultation education programs, I settled 3 days, 7 days, 20 days. I settled them, and now I have started doing consultation. And I have started means in past these days, about today 2 months have passed, or more than about 3 months have passed, or 2 months or 3 months have passed. I trained approximately 160 people. I've already trained. I've educated this course, and according to my calculation, it was not that much possible that I would have trained 160 people. But it went beyond my imagination.
Amazing.
And now consultation also I have started. And in consultation, as previously I got that world record. So on that basis, on that propagation, I cured so many people. Means like now, as you know, Navratri is coming. So there were so many 40, 45 old age ladies. They were not able to move their hands and legs. So they were thanking me before Navratri. You made us proper, and now we are going to go to play on the ground. So, these consultations, personal consultations also got 100% result.
As we moved on further, we saw that, that week by week you keep on getting the results. But if I have to ask you, which part of the program did you like the most, and why?
I cannot answer that because I loved all the sessions. There is nothing down, nothing ऊपर, कुछ नहीं. हर सेशन स्ट्रैटेजिकली था, हर एक का अपना खुद का इम्पोर्टेंस था, और हर एक ने मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो डायरेक्शन दिया है. मतलब सबने मुझे डायरेक्शन, जो मुझे चाहिए था वो सबने डायरेक्शन दिया है. अगर पहला वाला नहीं होता तो मुझे नहीं लगता पीछे वाले 2 हो पाते. अगर दूसरा वाला नहीं होता तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि पहला वाला और तो लास्ट वाले का इम्पैक्ट आता। अगर लास्ट वाला नहीं होता, पहले दो होते तो भी मुझे ये पता नहीं चलता कि मैं पीपल को कैसे हायर करूंगा। तो डेफिनेटली every session had its own importance. It was very strategically, it was very to the point, and it was the most necessary part. Let me tell you, that is, all the sessions were important. I cannot miss even one session, and I cannot ask anybody even to drop even one session. And I would like to suggest you also, don't have means I don't know you will emphasize which session or which you will not emphasize, but none of the session were below the mark.
Okay.
Everything were more than the mark.
Thank you. Would you like to recommend my coaching or my program to anybody? If yes, then why?
Yes, anybody who is not sorted with their thoughts. Nowadays, people actually don't get proper mentoring. There is so much of fraud going online. There is no hand holding, and people are like roaming here and there, and they are not getting proper mentorship because people are just behind earning money, and they are not behind helping out people. Once they in starting, every coach is giving some or the other thing. Means they give some good material and all in starting at first stretch. So, but after the first stretch, what happens? Everything is getting cluttered. People are finding them again lost. So I would definitely recommend in this hardship time. It is actually where people are unemployed. There are so many hardships going on, and where people are not sorted. I think that this is a very nominal cost. Instead of wasting so many lakhs of rupees, I think if people attend this strategically movement, I think people will be benefited a lot, and they should do this. And I will recommend everybody, because instead of wasting so much of money behind all other coaches and everybody, all brand names, I think that you will be more helpful than any other branded companies.
Great. So thank you so much for all those good words and for that honest opinion. And my last question to you would be, is there anything else you would like me to add in this program? Any suggestion or a feedback you would like me to add in this?
Yeah, definitely. I had one point in my mind that I think you should make one journal of this 5-week session. So at the end of the session, when the session is over, if there is a proper journal printed according to your thoughts, I think this will help any people.
Okay. Surely, I
will ask you to add.
Sure. Thank you so much. I will consider that point and I will try to implement as soon as possible. So, thank you so much, Adarsh ji, for coming and sharing all the experiences. I wish you a good luck.
Thank you.
For your
Same
future.
To you. Even I wish you a very good luck.
Thank you so much. Ji.
Pavitra ji, I'm really very happy from the bottom of my heart. At the right moment, I got the right guidance, and everything is sorted like anything.
Great. Good to see that, because at the end of the day, as a human being, अगर हम एक दूसरे को help करते हुए, if we can help each one of us to go together, because see, at the end of the day, we have no idea what is our last date.
True.
We are a visitor on this planet. चेक इन तो कर दिया, चेकआउट करना कब है वो हमको पता ही नहीं है. और जब चेकआउट करना कब है पता नहीं है, पैसा ले जा नहीं सकते, आप नॉलेज भी नहीं लेके जा सकते, आप तो शरीर भी नहीं लेके जा सकते, तो आप लेकर क्या जाओगे? कुछ नहीं. बस एक चीज़ है, एक दूसरे के साथ रहकर, सहारा देकर एक दूसरे की ज़िंदगी को खूबसूरत बनानी है. बस इसी चीज़ को लेकर हम आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं. दिस इज़ वेयर इस मिशन पे मैंने शुरू किया है कि if I can show some enlightenment to people to find their way, their path, if they achieve something, that will be the most happiest part of my life.